watch our website or our videos, you know that once in a while we'll get a little later model trade-in or consignment. That's what we have here, 2014 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ in a double cab 4x4. So 4-door truck, 2-owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Sonoma Jewel Metallic, 5.3 liter underneath the hood. Of course, nicely equipped, the LTZ. And we'll get into the interior and some of those options in a bit. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. You can see on the front bumper, the front parking assist. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides, every angle of this truck, just like we do with the classics, all pictured up at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct chrome wheels. Of course, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see that it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Now, of course, it's coming up on 10 years old or 10 years old now, so it's been driven. About 171,000 miles on this one, but it really shows well, as you can see around the wheel wells. Lower rockers, of course, Nerf bars, running boards. And again, nice shape down here too. Kind of has a neutral taupe colored interior, and like I said, we're going to get around to the driver's side, show you that in a minute. Of course, the LTZ, it's got the leather bucket seats and some nice equipment. It does come with a fiberglass topper. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just take a look around the rear wheel wells. Not showing corrosion there either. Of course, the rear parking assist, as you can see by the bumper there. Also would have a backup camera. Of course, the trailer tow package, locking rear differential, has a bed liner, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. We do have pictures of the topper open and the tailgate down. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side, and again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Tell it's a well cared for truck, and again, clean Carfax, 2-owner. You know what you'd expect. Let's take a peek in the back seat of this. So again, double cab, you have the 4 doors, backs of the seats, nice shape. Bench seat here in the back. Do have a sliding rear window, headliner good. All right, as far as interior options, we do have memory seating, power windows and locks and mirrors, of course, Bose stereo system. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Take a look at the seat condition. Not bad at all. Of course, tilt column steering wheel controls. We have the rubber floor mats down here. On the fly 4x4 and auto 4-wheel drive also. Infotainment system. Adjustable pedals. Heated seats, ventilated seats. That's the MyLink. Obviously, as you can see, let's go ahead. Fire up that 5.3. There's your exact miles, 171,276. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that on. Again, AC blows cold. We'll turn that off because it is cold. Of course, stereo system working. Top of the dash, looking good. Till this truck was stored indoors, no doubt about that. Passenger seating area, also in great shape. I do have a still picture of the RPO tag if you want to see exactly how this truck is optioned. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Barely hear it run. Nice and smooth. Sounds good, as it should. Let's slip up to the front. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood. Let's take a look at the engine bay. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this truck for a drive too, so you can see how it goes down the road. We'll put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So let's hold on a second. Let's check out this engine bay. Look at how clean the underside of this hood is. Wow, doesn't really look like this has been driven in much for inclement weather. And the engine bay. Clear diffs, 5.3 liter. Good power plant. Automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Listen how smooth that thing runs. And again, this V8 power. Two owner 2014 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ double cab 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. Nice burgundy paint on the outside and this darker kind of a chocolate brown on the inside. Good looking color combo. This is an automatic on the column. 4-door. We do have a topper on the back, so you can keep stuff dry when you haul it. That's always a nice bonus. Battery is charging over 14, the temperature 195. Fuel gauge working, showing just under half, and the oil pressure is 40. Factory tachometer and speedometer working well. For the miles this is showing, it is in really good condition. Even in any case, it is in good condition. Seats are nice. Good handling truck, smooth ride down the road. Of course, equipped with all your modern amenities from 2014, steering wheel controls. Power options for nearly everything. Brakes feel good and work very well. Nice quiet ride. Corners nicely. Even for a big truck, it doesn't lean that much in the corners. Kicking it down, you do feel the power. It's got good acceleration. Very nice truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Chevrolet at UniqueClassicCars.com.